Introducing the Redmi Note 15 Pro series. Define your power. Choose between the smooth glass back with a glacier blue finish for an ethereal aesthetic, or the rugged texture featuring a titanium black finish and magma orange accents for aggressive power. Experience uncompromising endurance with a 6,500 mAh battery utilizing silicon carbon technology. This allows for up to 2 days of battery life. Both phones share a 200 megapixels camera with a 1/1.4 sensor size and f/1.7 aperture. It also features optical image stabilization, or OIS, to capture clear, high-resolution photos. The Redmi Note 15 Pro offers speed with 45W turbocharging for reliable daily top-ups. The Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus offers immediacy with 100W HyperCharge, going from 0 to 100% in 40 minutes. The Redmi Note 15 Pro is IP65 splash resistant. The Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus features the IP69K Titan structure. This makes it submersible, high-pressure jet resistant, and includes Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The Redmi Note 15 Pro delivers efficiency with the MediaTek Helio G200-Ultra on a 6nm process. The Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus offers dominance with the Snapdragon 7's Gen 4 on a 4nm process, designed for high frame rate gaming. The Redmi Note 15 Pro has an FHD Plus AMOLED display with a standard peak brightness and 300% volume boost. The Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus has a 1.5K Crystal Res display with 3200 nits peak brightness, 400% volume boost, and Wet Touch 2.0 technology. The Redmi Note 15 Pro is connected with 4G LTE optimized for reliable network performance. The Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is unstoppable, being 5G ready with a Xiaomi T1S signal tuner and offline communication capabilities for kilometer-level voice calls. The Pro Plus Advantage offers optical level zoom, powered by the flagship HPE sensor. This provides lossless quality from wide angles to portrait details, with up to 4x lossless zoom. Experience the AI ecosystem, powered by Snapdragon and Google Gemini. Features include AIGC dynamic wallpapers, AI interpreter for offline translation, AI image expansion, and generative edit. Here are the specs at a glance. Note the key differences in processor, charging speed, durability, display, and connectivity between the Pro and Pro Plus models. The Redmi Note 15 Pro is the pragmatic powerhouse. It's built for the creator who needs all-day endurance and 200 megapixels clarity without the extreme price tag. This is essential excellence. The Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is the uncompromising Titan. It is designed for the gamer, adventurer, and power user who demands instant charging, absolute durability, and AI dominance. This is extreme dominance. Choose your Titan, essential excellence, or extreme dominance. Discover the Redmi Note 15 Pro series.